Hello, everyone. If you're watching this, it is Friday, October 9th, 2020. And this is the last of our first unit, actually. So, congratulations, you made it this far. So, today we're going to be talking about point of view. So, learning targets are today I can understand the differences in point of view, and I can understand the importances of point of view. Your announcement is that you have a point of view quiz on Wednesday. Again, this is all review, so it should be very, very easy. All right. So, point of view is the way the author, how the way the author hear and see the story taking place. I should say hears. Excuse me 1 minute while I fix this. Hears and sees the story taking place. There are three types of point of view. There's first, there's second, and third. Not any kind of tricks or anything else. So, first person point of view is when a character, I'm getting rid of my face now, bye. So, the first person point of view is when a character is telling a story from his or her perspective. The character will use words like I, me, he, or she. So, a lot of words that are pronouns. So, an example of this would be Call of Duty. I'm sure that everybody at some point has played a Call of Duty game, and when you play a Call of Duty game, that's a first person shooter. And the reason why is because it's in first person. The story revolves around that person directly, and you're playing as that person. So it's the same thing in a story. The story revolves around that person and what he or she sees in front of them. So the example would be we didn't want to drive, so we took the train to the city and back home. So we and we, these are all pronouns. So it's first person. Second person is the one that is used the least. And well, it's not my opinion. I think it's the truth. And the second person point of view is when a character speaks directly to the reader. My best example is Deadpool 1 and Deadpool 2, great movies, like the best movies ever made. Honestly, one of those two. Is when like Deadpool turns and looks at the camera and starts talking directly to the audience. That's second person point of view. So the words you and your are used. Um, a lot of times this is used in like manuals or cookbooks to tell you what to do to make sure you understand the direction. So example is just a few simple steps, you can make a big change in your life. So keep that in mind. That is what second person is. Third person is when a narrator outside the story is telling the readers what is happening. So like the story is going on and someone is like watching something happen. So the narrator will use words like he, she, it, or they. So keep that in mind. The narrator can be omniscient, which means they know everything, or know very little about what is going on, which is called a limited narrator. So, for example, an omniscient narrator could tell you exactly what time a character wakes up, how he or she is feeling, how many birds flew by the window, what exact time it rained, what time the rain stopped, what time the rainbow showed up, how the characters felt about something that happened 25 years ago. They know everything. It's just like they're the god of that world. They know the story. And someone who is a limited narrator is someone who knows very basically what's going on. And third person point of view, is that third person limited doesn't know everything that's going on. Sometimes narrators are not trustworthy. We're going to read stories where the narrator is not telling us the truth. So you got to keep that in mind. Not all narrators are trustworthy. And my example is Little Big Planet. I don't know if people have played that game. Some have. There's a narrator who talks about what the character, which his name's right here, is Sackboy, and what his adventures are and things like that. So that's really important. So the example is what they told her was not the truth. So keep that in mind, please. This review can be on your own, but for the most part, that is it for point of view. Pretty easy stuff. Thank you for watching.